No. We are supposed to guard who. When you have functions, yes. we guard you, we give security.
Exactly.
So now do you have security?
That is why I notified you. The reason for notifying you is to provide me with the security so that my people come here and they live safe.
He's not fighting.
Let him not mislead.
No way you cannot manage.
Until you allow us to go the other side and go to the OC. No.
But why don't you go to the OC alone? Who had one?
No, alone. Carrying my papers.
You are not Just leave him.
No, don't push me.
Just leave him.
They cannot come. They are coming here. They are going to access that field. That is a public place.
Because you granted that. Just like I have told you. Mind on them. Buli kimu twabita mitendera twabiba twayiranga wano batukiriza okukolerawa twabayidizaayo leta kuba basoka tukoba nti mutuletere leta okuba nti babayikiriza okuta kumpumudde ekisaawo kya mpumudde twayidanga na twakoba nti mwatwikiriza poliisi eri kwenda obuwandiike batuyamba waneno batukolera obuwandiike twabayidizaayo ku poliisi batuyikiriza.
Have you seen any policeman guarding them? What if they get a problem here?
Yes, your request for security.
Ana mwenda tuingie ekisaawe. Ana timuja wane. Move. Timuja. Move from here. Basabye okuba wane. You are Monday. No. If they charge you move.
You want to be arrested?
You are very police people. Asa ni mwide. They are coming here. We have a commander. You are the commander? Yes, I'm the commander. Commanding who? No, can you leave the place? Move. Even you fly from there. I'm the commander of the people. Asa ni Musa.
I talked to him in advance that he should seek for permission. And he has no permission.
Omukolo gwa kwebaza Katonda. Nze ekyokuba nti nesimbyewo era nga ndi mweni UPT musango. Buli muntu alina idembe okuba mu political party yona gyayenda. Nze okwesimba oti musango. Era n'abawagizi bange okuvaayo bayambala gundi t-shirt ediri ku ebifaananyi byange gwona tichi ti musango kubanga olwo just lugoye.